most mobile detailing business owners get this wrong. They spend thousands on marketing to generate leads, but they lose customers because their scheduling, follow-ups, and customer management systems are a mess. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM can grow your detailing business faster than another advertising campaign. In this video, you'll learn what makes a great CRM for mobile detailing businesses in 2026, the features that actually matter, and how to choose a system that helps you book more jobs and create repeat customers. Let's start with the most important thing. A mobile detailing CRM should do more than store customer names and phone numbers. It should help you manage leads, schedule appointments, automate reminders, send invoices, collect payments, and encourage repeat bookings. Take Alex, for example. He runs a mobile detailing business with 2 vans. At first he managed everything through text messages and a calendar app. It worked when he had 10 customers a week. But when he started getting 50 inquiries, things became chaotic. Missed appointments, forgotten follow-ups, and lost revenue quickly became a problem. That's why lead management is the first feature you should look for. Every phone call, website inquiry, or social media message should automatically enter your CRM. This ensures no potential customer gets forgotten. But here's the problem. Many CRMs are built for traditional sales teams, not service businesses that operate on the road. This is where most people fail. They choose software that looks impressive, but doesn't support the daily workflow of a mobile detailing company. The next feature is online booking and scheduling. Customers want convenience. If someone can book an appointment in 2 minutes instead of making multiple phone calls, your conversion rate often improves immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. Automated reminders can significantly reduce cancellations and no-shows. A simple text message sent 24 hours before an appointment can save hours of wasted time every week. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that often creates the highest lifetime customer value. That feature is automated follow-up marketing. Most detailing customers don't need service every week. But they may need another wash, ceramic coating, interior detail, or maintenance package in the future. A good CRM automatically sends reminders and promotions at the right time. This creates a powerful micro-win. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, you generate more revenue from existing ones. Mobile access is another must-have. Whether you're at a customer's driveway, office parking lot, or residential community, your team should be able to update jobs, upload photos, and collect payments directly from their phones. Finally, look at reporting. The best CRM helps you track bookings, repeat customers, revenue, and lead sources, so you know exactly what's driving growth. The best CRM for a mobile detailing business in 2026 is the one that combines lead management, scheduling, automation, mobile tools, and customer retention features in one easy-to-use platform. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software reviews and growth strategies, and leave a comment with the CRM you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.